Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Welcome to my 2024 EightCap full review. EightCap are a great broker, really pushing their partnership with TradingView at the moment as a boutique partner. You can see their rating on TradingView is 4.6, or excellent. Now, many of you have seen me on TradingView as a top streamer, top liked, shared, viewed, and one of the top authors on there as well, posting video analysis most days for anyone who's looking to trade. I also run a private trading academy. You can get the link to that underneath, as well as the link for joining EightCap. Please read the financial disclaimer on EightCap and the risk disclaimer, and please read it under this video too. So you can see, like I said, chart with TradingView is on the front page, and lots of people trade via TradingView. Many of my students do, and you can use your EightCap account to do that, which is fantastic because going into sort of depth on charts really needs to be done somewhere where you can draw very easily, if you like. And of course, that's TradingView. And many of you who watch my analysis will notice that I draw all the time on there with all the tools. So helps you be a little bit more careful when you're. First thing off the bat, you can see various ratings on here, which is quite good if you're looking for reliability. The standard thing I always look for with brokers is a couple of things. Firstly, they've got the disclaimer at the top, so transparency, and they've got their risk warning at the bottom as well. They're also authorized by the Financial Conduct Authority, or the FCA. So having that stamp regulation on there is absolutely key. You don't really want to be trading with a broker where that's not there. For EightCap specifically, you'll need a separate UK link underneath this video. And if you're outside the UK, I'll put the other one there as well. So first things first, good ratings overall, integrate with TradingView, fantastic. Risk warnings and disclaimers are all there as well. Now we can look at a little bit about their costs, because if you're looking for reliability, those things I just mentioned are what you'd go for. And then, of course, most people are looking at the costs because they want to retain more of their profits, essentially. So if you load up the costs section, you can see just a basket of main assets that are traded, things I trade myself. You've got the pound dollar spreads from 1 pip, so that's quite ideal, quite low. Euro dollar, again, 1 pip as well. UK 100, fairly average, spreads from 1.2 GBP. Okay, so if you're spread betting, that may be ideal for you. You've got the US 30 Dow Jones Industrial Average, spreads from 1.6 US dollars, and you've got XAU USD, or gold against US dollar, spreads from $0.12. And if you click these see details sections, it loads up a snippet from TradingView. Okay, and it will tell you a bit more if you scroll down. So the hours you're trading, the minimum spread, all sorts. Commissions, you can see there's no commission via that. You can see the swaps as well, long and short, so what you're going to pay basically for holding. Your min contract size, max contract size, which most people won't go that high. It just depends what you like. But yeah, it gives you a little bit of detail there about it, and a bit more data underneath with your overview ranges, things like that. So if we just go back here, you can see, like I said, spreads and run pip, that's very low. It's industry standard in many places. Okay, and there's many assets you can search for. If you're looking for something like a stock, okay, or Tesla, for example, if you type Tesla, click the search, you'll find out if you can trade it. Some traders are into trading stocks, some are into currencies. So you can see Tesla being one of the main stocks tradable. You can see it's there to be used, and you can read a list of the actual things you can trade on here as well. You can see it, look, trade indices, trade shares, trade commodities. So we can have a look whether there's a wide range. Okay, indices, you can see they've got the basic list here. Okay, myself, I trade the UK 100 and the Ors 200. Many of our members trade the Germany 30, the DAX, and they also trade the SPX 500. So you've got good range there again. Okay, again, reasonable spreads across the board too. If you want to have a look at shares, just a quick basket, you've got the main ones most people trade: Apple, Amazon, Google, Netflix, SAP, Tesla. You can see it's all here. Okay, so good bunch of trading tools you can use. Of course, if there's something specific you wanted to trade, you could type it in like I did before. Okay, so it tells you oil, quite standard. Lots of our traders trade that as well. Gold also. So a good range there of the most basic assets you could trade. Like I said, there'll be a list of all of them, but you can just search literally in here and it will tell you more or less whether it's there or not, essentially. Okay, so another tick of the box, good range of assets to trade. There's a few tools here as well. You've got TradingView, which, like I said, most high-profile brokers are integrated on, and you've got their AI-powered economic calendar. Okay, if you make an EightCap account, it will tell you about upcoming events, essentially. Okay, so on the compare section, you've got legal documents and disclosures. You can have a look at that. It tells you a bit about deposits and withdrawals. Over here, okay, methods you can use: Visa, wire transfer. So all round, very informative, and like I said, it's pretty much an all round quite reliable broker, I would say. So I'll leave the links for EightCap underneath. Whether you're in the UK or you're outside the UK, it will be there. And like I said, read all financial disclaimers. Make sure you can afford the risks. And you can join our trading room as well underneath, where we teach live charts every day. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.